Barry here, lesson 16 of Vocabulary Building Workbook. Now, where's lesson 16? Somewhere around here. Okay, lesson 16. There's some very good words in this vocabulary, so hope you study them. Okay, account. I should talk about this for a minute. There's many meanings to account, and not all of them are here. Also, another meaning is you're accountable for your actions. That means if you do something bad, you must accept the punishment. So if you commit a crime, you will be held accountable, and you will go to court and maybe go to jail. So that's another meaning that is not in here. Another important thing is accountant. Now, accountant is similar to bookkeeper. Okay, but accountant goes to university for 4 years to study accounting. Okay. Now, if you don't know what that is, you should look it up. Those are important. This is a this is vocation. It's a job, and they both keep track of money for a business. Okay, so they watch how much, and they use a spreadsheet, usually Excel, and they watch the money that comes in and goes out of a business. But the difference between an accountant and a bookkeeper is anyone can be a bookkeeper, but an accountant goes to university, and accountants make a lot of money. Okay? So, let's do the pronunciation. And make sure you get the T sound. Account. Account. Okay. Bookkeeping. Bookkeeping. Now there are 3 syllables there. Bookkeeping. Bookkeeping. All right. And the worker, the job is bookkeeper. Bookkeeper. That's a very common word. Okay. Next word, entry. Entry. Well, I'm sure you know the verb enter. Next one, general. General. Another meaning of general is like in the army. A general is a high-ranking officer, very high. Okay. Journal. Journal. Of course, you all know that because you should be writing in your journal every day. I wonder how many of you do that. Ledger. Ledger. Sometimes a journal and a ledger are very similar. This is more for business. Next word, manual. Manual. Okay. This has many meanings. This is a good word. This is an important word if you want to work in Canada. Payroll is also, as they say here, well, they don't. Sometimes payroll is part of human resources in a business. It's the people that make the paychecks that get, if you have a job, they're the people that actually see that you get your money. Okay, that's an important vocabulary word for work, and that meaning is not here. So again, payroll is usually part of human resources. Like if you get a job, they may tell you to email the payroll department and give them your social insurance numbers or something like that. Okay, and they're talking about the people who pay you. Did we do the pronunciation? I forget, but we'll do it again. Payroll. Payroll. It's easy pronunciation, just pay and roll. But it's an important word. Post. Post. Now this word has many meanings. It's an important word. This is also a post. Okay, probably most of you know that. Post has many meanings. You can post something on the wall. That just means put something on the wall or whatever. It has many meanings. Make sure you get the T and the P. Okay. Post. Post. I'm sure probably many of you have problems with the O sound. It's O. Post. Some people have problems with that. Next word, reconcile. Reconcile. This is a difficult word. Reconcile. This is a more higher level word. Requirement. Requirement. Yeah, I'm sure you know the verb require means need. Sector. Sector. In this word, you can really hear the first syllable is accented. It's not sector. Sector. No, the first syllable. Sector. Try it again. Sector. Sector. Sector also has many meanings. Statistical. Statistical. This is a very important word, and it's a little difficult to explain. Statistics. If you don't know this word, please look it up or try to understand my brief explanation. Statistics is a kind of math, and like if you smoke, statistics say it increases the chance you will get cancer. Usually statistics talks about percentage. A statistician is a job. It's a math, kind of math. Right? Please study this word because you will hear it a lot. Transaction. Transaction. Probably most of you know this word. Utility. Utility. There's 3 syllables in there. Utility. Right? Utility has several meanings too. Utility grade means low grade. Like if you get utility grade chicken, that's chicken that is not the high-end chicken, it's the cheap chicken or something like that. Okay? So study these words. I think a lot of these are really important words, as usual. And don't forget, you should go back and review the other words that you've studied, okay?